Hey everyone, Dr. Magic here with another magic egg. Wow, this is a cool egg. This egg is red with a black pattern on it. I wonder what's inside. Only one way to find out. First, we have to crack the egg with our magic hammer. Whoa. We cracked it. I wonder what's inside. Whoa. Do you know what kind of animal this is? It has thick brown skin and two big white tusks. This animal is called a walrus. Pretty cool, huh? Now, walrus live in the Arctic. Let's see where that is on the map. Walrus live way up here, close to the North Pole. So in Canada, Alaska, Northern Europe, Russia, here in the Arctic. That's where walrus live. Now, walrus are related to seals and sea lions. They're a lot bigger than seals and sea lions. And they are not as furry as a sea lion. They have thick skin, almost like an elephant's skin. And they have two large teeth that come out and make tusks. Now, these tusks are used sometimes for fighting, but they're also used to dig holes in the ice so that they can get in and out of the water for feeding. Now, they do live in very cold water, so they are protected from the cold by a layer of fat underneath their skin called blubber. Do you know what kind of sound a walrus makes? Let's see if we can hear it. Whoa, pretty cool. Well, that's our walrus. Thanks for watching. Be sure to watch my other videos and subscribe to my channel, Dr. Magic's Eggs, to see what's inside other magic eggs. You never know what we'll find.